Ypres, April 22nd, 1915. A chemist, in fact the first German woman to get a PhD. Though having completed extensive work on the electrochemical behavior of fluorides, she was largely relegated to the role of domestic caretaker. Just days after her husband oversaw what he called a triumph of applied chemistry, she takes his service pistol out into the garden and shoots herself. Clara Immermann was the wife of a man whose genius had fed billions, but whose patriotism poisoned thousands. Fritz Haber, the father of chemical warfare, had just released the first rolling green cloud of chlorine gas into enemy trenches, where the men clutched at their throats, collapsed into indomitable remains. From the Greek chloros, meaning greenish yellow, chlorine is element 17. Chlorine has so many uses. You can make chloroform by adding acetone to bleach. Combining manganese dioxide with hydrochloric acid gives manganese chloride. You need to wash it with acetone to remove the iron impurities. Sodium tungstate can become tungstic acid on the addition of hot, concentrated hydrochloric acid. Aqua regia only works because of the chloride ions. Technically, nitric acid can dissolve gold, but it's extremely slow. Nitric acid oxidizes a very small amount of gold to +3. What the chloride does is come in and form a complex, tetrachloroaurate. This removes +3 gold from the solution, and due to Le Chatelier's principle, this allows for more oxidation faster. Nitric acid is not very effective at oxidizing gold, and hydrochloric acid won't do it at all. But when they are combined, the mixture generates nitrosyl chloride and, most importantly, chlorine gas, according to this simplified equilibria. Both chlorine and nitrosyl chloride are much stronger oxidizers towards gold. Once the gold is oxidized to +3, whether by chlorine or by nitrosyl chloride, the high concentration of chloride ions from the hydrochloric acid instantly stables it as the soluble complex ion, tetrachloroauric. This removes +3 gold from the redox equilibrium, preventing reduction back to the metallic gold, and drives the dissolution process forward. The chlorates are energetic. They are chlorine with 4 oxygen. Nickel can be dissolved with hot hydrochloric acid to make nickel 2 chloride, which is a green solid, and it's yellow when it's anhydrous. As you can see, when gold is dissolved using aqua regia, what forms is gold 3 chloride. What you're looking at now is a nickel cesium complex, and it changes color. This one's quite interesting. It starts off as a yellow to colorless solid. As you start to melt it, it turns blue. It's really quite beautiful. Phosphorus pentachloride with sulfuric acid into this addition funnel. Soon we're going to do a changeover to collect our chlorosulfonic acid. Boiling flask is empty, and I've switched off the mantle.